Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a day in my life with a handicap dog. Some of you may not know this, but last October our family home was broken into and mine and my boyfriend's dogs went missing, Coco and Zoe. We were devastated and shared their photo everywhere and made a few news appearances as well just to continue to spread the word and share their picture. 2 months later, in December, there was wildlife footage found of Zoe. She was starving and badly injured, dragging herself around in the canyon. We set out a search and rescue, and with the help of some incredible volunteers, we rescued Zoe from the canyon. The doctor said she has a broken back and pinched nerve, leaving her paralyzed from the waist down and likely to never walk again. We still don't know what caused this injury, but we're just so thankful to have our Zoe back. It definitely took time for Zoe and I to be able to have this peaceful balance in both our routines. We moved out of our apartment and in with my parents because it was really hard at first knowing what to do and how to care for a dog with a disability like Zoe's. So here we are 9 months after Zoe's rescue with our new daily routine. We're still missing Coco and we pray every day that one day she'll come back to us. But until then, here is what my life looks like now living with Zoe and her disability. P.S. Sorry for the long intro, I just felt like a little backstory on Zoe was necessary for this video. So anyways, let's begin. I wake up at 7 a.m. either from my alarm or Zoe barking at me to wake up, but today I woke up first, so the very first thing I do once I'm up is express Zoe. Since Zoe is paralyzed from the waist down, she can't go to the bathroom on her own, so I have to physically squeeze her bladder to make her go pee, and if I don't empty her bladder fully, she'll get a UTI, which is a urinary tract infection. She's already had 3 UTIs since December, so that's why it's super important for us to express her bladder fully. So 7 a.m. is her first potty break. Some of you may be asking about pooping. Yes, she can poop on her own, but because she drags herself, it can get really messy really quickly. So I just have her poop the same time I have her pee. And I could share with you guys how I make her poop on command, but it's a little gross, so we'll just skip over that for now. And yes, I wash my hands afterwards. Once Zoe has been expressed, it's time for breakfast, and she gets super excited about her food and eats everything in one sitting. And she didn't used to do that, but the doctors suggest it may be because her mind is still in starvation mode because she was gone for 2 months looking for any scrap of food while she was out there in the canyon. So now when she sees food, she eats as much as she can, which is why we measure and schedule her eatings so that way she doesn't overeat. So now that Zoe has been taken care of, I've been working really hard to take care of myself again. So just this month, I started working out again. If you're interested in seeing what workouts I'm doing, be sure to follow me on my vlog channel because I share all my workouts over there. I finish all my workouts with a walk with Zoe, and this is definitely her favorite part of the day, besides food of course. She loves going for walks and being outside. She may be handicapped, but Zoe still has so much energy, so lots of playtime and lots of walks are a necessity. If we don't let her get out all her playful energy, then she gets angry and she starts to chew up shoes. So lesson learned, always walk Zoe. And I know a lot of people ask why don't we keep Zoe in the wheelchair like all day long, so she's always like kind of standing up, but the reason we don't is because she gets really tired in her wheelchair and she can't actually lay down while she's in it, so that's why when she's in the house she just drags herself around, but when we're out and about, that's when she's in her wheelchair because otherwise she'd scrape her legs and cut herself up. So wheelchair is for outside only. After our walk, I can finally sit down and eat breakfast, and today I had a potato breakfast burrito with a protein smoothie. After that, I hit the showers and get dressed for the day. Now it's time to begin work, and I start by editing the vlog from the previous day and then uploading it to my second channel. Again, if you're not following me on my second channel yet, you definitely should. I'll leave a link below, or you can click the link in the cards. Either or. Go follow me on my second channel. During this time, to keep Zoe company, I will bring Ella, which is one of my parents' dogs, to come over and play with Zoe. I live back at my parents' house right now, and we keep their dogs and my dog separate with a baby gate. So that way I have control of Zoe's environment since she can't be around the other dog's food or she'll eat it all, and when she's on the other side of the gate, sometimes she'll drag herself outside through the doggy door, which cuts up her legs, so that's why I keep Zoey on this side of the house. And occasionally I'll bring Ella over to play because Zoey loves Ella so much, and you can tell by how gentle Zoey is with her. She's not this playful with my parents' other dogs, just with Ella. Once I've uploaded my daily vlog, then I begin to film for my main channel, and this can vary because some videos only take a couple hours to film, while other videos I do may take the entire day, if not more. But for the sake of this day in my life video, I decided to feature what my day would look like if I filmed a quick and easy video for my main channel. So after I finish filming, I clean up my mess and go back to working on the computer, either editing or getting back to emails or both. I'm not gonna lie, majority of my day is spent on the computer. I take a break from editing once I get hungry, so then I'll have lunch, and today my dad actually surprised me and brought Mexican food home. I love carne asada fries, but since I don't eat meat, we always order it on the side, so my family will eat the meat and save it for breakfast burritos and things like that, and I can enjoy the fries without any meat. Zoey gets a little jealous when she sees me eating lunch, so when I'm done I give her some healthy snacks and we do some tricks together. Sometimes I give her carrots, but today I'm giving her green beans. Again, she's not picky, she loves anything that's food, but why not give her healthier options like veggies? Dogs are smart and listen really well, and I've noticed the more consistent I am with moments like this where I practice tricks with her, Zoey actually listens better throughout the day. And this is also the time I like to express Zoey for her afternoon potty break. In the beginning, it was really hard to know how often I should express her. When we first got her back, I think I was expressing her like 6 times a day, which was definitely excessive. Then I got a little more comfortable and understood her schedule better, so it moved down to 4 times a day, and now we're rocking our routine with 3 potty breaks a day, morning, afternoon, and night. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the day, Zoey has a lot of energy and loves to play, especially when she's on carpet. My parents' room is the only room with carpet in the house, so we go in there to play a lot, and sometimes I work with her legs and do range of motion movements and have her practice standing. Although the doctors say she'll never walk again, I still have faith that one day she will. I had faith the entire time she went missing, and I knew she would come back, and I have that same faith that she will walk again someday. So the first 6 months of Zoey's recovery, we took her to a lot of different therapy sessions. We did acupuncture, laser therapy, water therapy, and other forms of physical therapy. We did a lot. We spent thousands and thousands of dollars on therapy, and I learned a lot in the first 6 months that really helped me now when I work with Zoey at home. She gets pretty tired when we practice standing, so I let her rest when we're done, and I head back to work and finish editing. I won't take another break until it's time to feed Zoey dinner, which is at 7 p.m. I'm not kidding, I really am on the computer all day long, and when you think about it, I upload a lot of videos. I do daily vlogs, and then I do 4 uploads a week here on this channel, so that's like 11 videos every single week, so I'm constantly editing. So once it's time to feed Zoey her dinner, she'll eat hers, and then I will eat dinner as well, and today we had tacos. Can you tell I love Mexican food? On Wednesdays and Thursday nights, Zoey and I usually head out to church or our Bible study sessions after dinner. I wanted to show that in this video to show that Zoey really goes everywhere with me, but I got too busy with work that I wasn't able to attend today. But usually you can find me and Zoey at church together on Sundays, Thursday nights, and Wednesday nights with our Bible study group. Once I remove my makeup and change into my PJs, I still go back to the computer and do more work. That's the one thing that people don't realize when you're a YouTuber or a content creator full-time. You don't get to clock out of work. Even when you're in your PJs right before bedtime, you're still doing work, and first thing when you wake up, you're doing work. But I'm not complaining about that. I love what I do, and I also love these PJs. They're from Erin Condren, FYI. But I love what I do, and it's such a blessing. So around 10 p.m., I will express Zoey for her final potty break of the day, and then I tuck her into bed. She's actually super good about bedtime, and she knows when it's time to sleep. I, however, am not so good at bedtime, and I get into bed, but I usually will spend another hour or 2 playing on my phone or scrolling through social media. It's such a bad habit, but it's part of my daily routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life video. If you'd like to follow Zoey and her story, I'll leave her social media accounts below, or you can catch her on my daily vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped enlighten you that dogs with disabilities can still live bright, happy lives. Believe it or not, I feel like Zoey's quality of life has actually improved since her accident. She's so happy, she gets extra attention, and overall she's just so full of life. And I know many people would put their dogs down if they were in Zoey's situation, but if the quality of life isn't damaged, then why take that will to live away? Yes, I work from home, which makes things easier, but even if you don't, it's still possible to find a peaceful routine that works for you and your disabled pets. Zoey has inspired me in so many ways, and we hope to inspire others as well and share that life is worth living no matter what happens.